You're scrolling through Instagram, seeing all those dreamy travel pics, the exotic food, the bustling markets. You're itching to book that flight, but then, bam, the dreaded thought hits you: how am I going to handle all those foreign transaction fees? You've heard whispers of this magical travel wallet, the YouTrip card, promising no fees and sweet exchange rates. But then the panic sets in. How long will it even take to get one? Are you going to be stuck waiting while that amazing flight deal disappears? Sound familiar? You're not alone. So, let's get straight to the point. How many days does it actually take to get a YouTrip card in your hands? Well, the answer, like most things, isn't a simple number. It depends on a few factors, but let's break it down. Generally, from the moment you successfully apply for a YouTrip card through their app, you can expect the card to arrive within 3 to 7 business days in Singapore. This is the most common time frame, but let's dive into the specifics. First off, the application process itself is pretty streamlined. You download the YouTrip app, fill in your personal details, and verify your identity. If all goes smoothly, this takes just a few minutes. Now, the real waiting game begins: the processing and delivery. One key factor influencing delivery time is the accuracy of the information you provide during the application. Any discrepancies or errors can cause delays. So, double-check everything before hitting submit. Another factor is your location. While the 3 to 7 business days time frame is standard for Singapore, if you're in a more remote area, or if there are unforeseen logistical issues, it might take a little longer. Let's talk about the processing side of things. YouTrip needs to verify your information and prepare your card for dispatch. This usually happens pretty quickly, but during peak periods, like holiday seasons or when they're running promotions, there might be a slight backlog. Once your card is dispatched, you'll typically receive a notification through the app or email, letting you know it's on its way. This notification often includes a tracking number, so you can keep an eye on its progress. Now, here's a pro tip: if you're in a rush, you can try contacting YouTrip's customer support. They might be able to give you a more precise estimate of your delivery time or even expedite the process if possible. However, this isn't guaranteed, and they handle requests as they are able. Let's address a common concern: what if you're traveling soon? If your trip is just around the corner, apply for your YouTrip card as early as possible. Don't wait until the last minute. In a pinch, you might have to consider alternative solutions, like using your existing credit or debit card, but be prepared for those pesky fees. And remember, the YouTrip app is your friend. It allows you to track your card, manage your spending, and lock/unlock your card for security. Familiarize yourself with its features while you wait for your card to arrive. So, to summarize, you're looking at roughly 3 to 7 business days for your YouTrip card to arrive in Singapore, assuming everything goes smoothly. Apply early, double-check your details, and keep an eye on your notifications. Now, go plan that amazing trip and ditch those foreign transaction fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.